For those of you that like the Talking Bella series, I have uploaded a video on the children's channel this evening.
Well, it's quite dark under here, isn't it, Farouk? You're a brave boy now, aren't you? Bit dark's not going to worry you, is it? He says, I don't know. Look at him looking about, bless him.
It's amazing that it's much brighter on the camera than it was going down there, I can tell you.
Yep, this is definitely dark. Well, it's raining. Because of course I've got no coat on. I wasn't expecting it to rain. Drops. You're not going to be going downhill at the canter in slippery grass. No! Good boy. Ah, Turrot. Turrot. Go on. Good boy. I'll have to keep wiping the lens because obviously it's going to get raindrops on it. Canter. And turn. And walk. Walk. Oh, didn't seem to bother too much with these sort of half Dalek thingies and a white trough, amazingly. That was a bit close, that one, wasn't it? Good boy. Good boy. Don't drink? No? Little lip wetter, is it? Just a little lip wetter? Go on then, we're not going to stand here all day if you're not going to be drinking. Oh, you are? Are you going to? Or not? A little bit of a drink, is it? Yes. Good boy. not in any rush, so if you want a bit more drink, you can have a bit more. No, I think you're just having a little sniff, aren't you? Come on then, let's go. Just steady, because it's not really even going, is it, on here? Good boy. Wow, there's lots of pheasants there, ain't there? Frightened me. Didn't think to hurt you, did it? Canter, up. It's like a scary container. Foot. Good boy. Foot. 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 Good boy. Walk on. Walk on. Go on. Go on. Boy.
White paper monster. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. We love reading the comments, we love emojis, and we'd love a thumbs up. If you would like to catch up on some of our earlier videos, just click on the Apollo icon, which will take you to our home page. We have over 1,000 videos to choose from. You can also sort by the most popular, the oldest or the newest. Thanks for watching. TTFN.